Making baklava for two. I cut my fillo pastry into 4 and I've used 4 sheets here, but you can use 5, and I end up with 16 sheets of fillo pastry for a small tray. And to prevent drying out, I'm going to cover the fillo pastry with a tea towel. Process any combination of nuts that you like to the texture that you like, and I've also added cloves, cinnamon and vanilla sugar to my mixture. And then I lightly brush each sheet of fillo pastry with a little bit of butter and just repeat until all of the fillo pastry has been used. I'm using 4 or 5 sheets per layer, so it will be a 3-layered baklava. And I've created stacks here, as you can see. Make sure you butter the tray and then pop your fillo pastry in, as well as the nut mixture, and just repeat this process. Once you've completed all the layering, make sure that you tuck in all of the edges and liberally add butter on the top, and then cut to your desired portion. Bake and then pour cold sugar syrup over the hot baklava. And enjoy.